show you how you can turn your text into YouTube video or any video you want just by using Canva. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need to do first is you need to go to your Canva homepage like this, and you should see over here Canva Magic Studio. Okay, click on Magic Studio and you will be directly in this page. Scroll down. So you should see, if you swipe left, you should see over here Magic Design for Video. Okay, so just click over here on Try Now. Okay, and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, what you need to do next, click over here, you can see Generate Videos. Click on this tool like this, and you will choose your picture, or you can upload your pictures or videos or anything you want. You can upload it. So for example, I already have those pictures in my Canva account, so I'm going to choose this one and this one, for example, this one and this one, this one. Okay, let's add this one over here and this one. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to describe the kind of video you want. Okay, and they will make an amazing video for you. So for me, for example, I'm gonna ask them to make an amazing YouTube short video. So I want to turn these pictures into a YouTube short video. Okay, click over here on Generate, and your video will be ready just in few minutes. So this is really amazing. You can use pictures, you can use videos, you can use anything you want, and you need just to describe the video that you want to get. So the more information you give them, so the more videos they will give you. And here you go. As you can see, my short YouTube video, I asked them to make YouTube shorts and it's almost done. Okay, as you can see over here. Okay, so let's check. Okay, let's check this video, guys, and let me know your opinion. So let me zoom this page like this. Let's see. So it will take a few seconds for the video to be done. It will still take a few times. So I will get back to you guys when this will be done. And as you can see, it's almost done over here. Okay, so let's check now. Also, I'm gonna change the time of those page over here. So I will make it so you can click over here on timing. Okay, edit timing, and I'm gonna choose just 3 seconds. Okay, to make it more engaging, I'm gonna choose 3 seconds. Click over here, apply all page, and let's check. And as you can see, guys, they turn these pictures into YouTube shorts just in few seconds. So after you finish, you can also edit this if you want to edit. For example, you want to make this text in the over here to make it. You can just keep clicking on your text and you can move it everywhere you want. Okay, so if you want to make it over here or in your pictures or above your pictures here, it's up to you. You can edit anything. After you finish, you can click on share, click on download, and this YouTube shorts will be downloaded to your laptop. Then you can go and use this YouTube short. Okay, so that's how we can turn text into video just by using Canva. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.